Well, our area is no stranger to river flooding, but predicting when and where it'll happen isn't always easy. That is where a new satellite mission from NASA comes in. Meteorologist Michaela Lucero shows us how local scientists are playing a big role in improving flood forecasts.
Yeah, we're down here at the Alexandria Waterfront, which we all know is known for its flooding. Now, when we talk about river flooding, we're oftentimes relying on data from gauges, but those gauges don't necessarily tell the full story. Now, there is new data coming in from a satellite that may be able to help us make better flood forecasts here at home and all over the world. I was able to speak with a local scientist who has some details on this new satellite. A new satellite is helping scientists do something they've never done before: see the full height and flow of rivers across the globe. I spoke with Virginia Tech hydrologist George Allen to learn more.
Hydrologists like myself have relied on gauge data for a very long time to understand floods and other phenomenon in rivers. But these gauges are only installed at single locations on a river. So there's there's long distances between gauges. There's some rivers that aren't even gauged.
But the SWAT satellite fills in the gaps between gauge measurements. SWAT is short for Surface Water and Ocean Topography Satellite. It's a joint mission between NASA and international space agencies. And it's already orbiting Earth, scanning rivers, lakes, and oceans in high detail. This is particularly useful in rural areas or places with little infrastructure.
If you're in an area that has a lower population, SWAT will provide just as good information in those areas as it does near urban centers.
For us here in the DMV, that could mean better flood forecasting for the Potomac and its tributaries, especially during extreme rain events or hurricanes. And on a global scale, a big step forward for tracking flood risks, managing water resources, and protecting communities. The satellite has already been sending in new data, and it is just the beginning of what could be some really big advancements for forecasting flooding. From the Alexandria Waterfront, I'm meteorologist Michaela Lucero, WUSA 9.